after so many days I am coming live. See, this space is for mid-career professionals, and I cater to mid-career professionals, plus the organization and the people, the employees of these organizations, empower them and have differential training so that they can find their significance. So, do you have more responsibilities than clarity? I'm Sangeeta and I help these organizations, the mid-career professionals of that organization and individual professionals as well. So after so many days, I am starting out, so I'm not very sure of the sequences, but it will be a short brief I thought of sharing with you. So today I was thinking about the staying grounded thing. So what does that exactly mean? So I was actually thinking of taking a walk on barefoot on a grassy patch. So it can be say any park you can go, or riverside, or any other place that kind of appeals to you or calls you. So staying grounded also means three things. That is like stop asking for permission and join join yourself in in giving yourself permission. Give yourself permission to proceed, no matter what. Like, it can be an imperfect beginning, like this one. So this is one. The second is like keep learning from everyone, and the third is measure impact, not achievements. So how after say doing say 4 years of work, if the things become as it was 4 years back, then there is no impact, right? But I might have many achievements during that time. So that was what I was thinking. Impact is always you can uh, bat yourself on. So at Bandhavgarh, I worked say 10 years back. Now the place is ready for me to take over to do my second stage. Then I was having this experience of kind of somebody who came for a discussion, and he's pretty grounded. He is pretty, um, say, he knows the theories, right? But somewhere I had a feeling that he needs to know himself much more, like between the pauses. So that is the miracle space, when you ask yourself a question and give yourself some time. Then what happens? Your heart tries to give out some kind of abstract thing at first, but those abstract things are precursor to something coming up, which will make sense after some time. So initially it will make no sense, but don't worry about that, and always keep asking, like the connect to whatever you already are experiencing. It happens at different stages, after a year maybe, at times. So don't worry about that. Just try giving those experiences so that these people are benefited. So even if it feels like a failure or no progress right now, it doesn't matter. Please go ahead and do your task. And yes, your own thing, whatever you are from inside, is the real authority that you will create, rather than your designation. You might be at a lower designation, but whatever you are doing, if it is creating a ripple effect, then that is who you are, and that is where you are leading to your purpose. So keep this in mind, and always work towards significance rather than success, right? Success will come and go, but if you establish significance, then that will help you create legacy, and which actually benefits a lot of people. So if your achievements gives you only and it benefits nobody else, then it is not worth taking up such kind of activities. That is what my take is. So if you have any question, we conduct says Sundays at 3 p.m. Some sessions, which is clarity session. You can come in and ask your question. Even if you want to say ask your question like that, then you can join my WhatsApp group also, and you can ask me to join my WhatsApp group. So then I can extend that link to you individually. So thank you for today. Thank you, and see you in my Sunday sessions if you are feeling drawn to this. Otherwise, let me back with another episode. See you.